In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an MIC report for results of the sample that show positive bacterial growth. After you log in, go over to the navigation bar and click the Results Review link, and that will take you to the Results Review page. You'll be on the Pending Results tab. Find the sample that you want to review the results for, and click the Details or the arrow button to see the results. And we can see that the result for growth is positive. So now we want to identify the organisms and record the results of which organisms we found. So we go up to the micro results link and click it. And here is our micro results page. It shows us the details about the patient. We can click Previous Reports to print or view previous reports on the patient, or we can send a preliminary report at this point. Another thing we can do is add the organisms that we've identified. So first let's add the tests that we've performed for identifying them. We clicked Add Organisms, and that just added a tab over our results that we're already showing with the type of sample and its ID number. And then it added an Organism 1 tab. We can add as many organisms as we find in the sample, but in this test case we'll just add one. So let's go over and click the Organism 1 tab, and what we want to do is add the identification tests. So let's click the plus sign in the identification test section, and we'll click the test that we gave and click Add. And here we have two analytes show up. One is named organism, the other is named quantitation. So let's edit those and put what our results were. The result for the organism, let's put E. coli, and we'll save that. And for the quantitation, let's enter the value, and it's going to be for our test greater than 100,000, and we'll click Save. Okay, now we want to enter the MIC sensitivity tests and what those results are. So we're going to click the plus sign to add tests, and here for our sample, our example, we have three antibiotic tests that we can add. Let's add 2 to make it simple. And here we have our antibiotic, and we can enter the MIC value and then the value of the interpretation. So let's enter a value for this one. And we'll say that it was sensitive, and then we'll enter a value for this one, and we'll put the same result, that it was sensitive. And now we can view or print the order before we send it by clicking this button, or we can just click Complete down here, and that will save the report and send it to the recipient.